If your Kia Sportage struggles to fire up right after you fill the tank, you aren't alone. This is a classic sign of an EVAP system failure. In over 80% of Kia cases with this specific symptom, a stuck-open purge valve is the primary reason the engine won't start. Let's break down exactly why this happens and how you can verify the fix without spending hundreds at a dealership. Always start with safety by securing the vehicle and checking the simplest point of failure, a loose or damaged gas cap seal. When the purge valve stays open during refueling, raw fuel vapors flood the engine, creating a rich condition that chokes the combustion cycle. If the valve is fine, check your charcoal canister. Overfilling the gas tank can push liquid fuel into the system, causing a permanent clog. Compare the symptoms. If your Sportage only struggles after a gas stop, it is almost certainly the EVAP system and not your fuel pump. Replacing the purge valve yourself is a $45 fix, whereas a full canister replacement at a shop can exceed $400. If you're stranded, hold the gas pedal to the floor while cranking. This enters clear flood mode to help the car start. You only need basic hand tools and a simple code scanner to perform this repair in your own driveway in under 20 minutes. Pro tip: when the gas pump clicks off, stop immediately. Trying to round up to the next dollar is what kills your charcoal canister. Swap that purge valve and get back on the road. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Sportage troubleshooting guides.